Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs from on this day. So on this day it is celebrated as World Refuge Day. The main theme of World Refuge Day is Together We Heal, Learn and Shine. World Refuge Day was held for the first time on June 20th, 2021. It is designed to celebrate and honor refugees around the world. And on June 21st, it is celebrated as International Yoga Day, and the main theme of International Yoga Day is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. International Yoga Day is an annual event that has its roots in an Indian context, commemorated every year on 21st June 2021. And there is another day, World Music Day. World Music Day is celebrated on June 21st every year to honor the musicians and singers for the gift of music, which gives flight to imagination and life to everything. And going to the current affairs, and the first question is Milkha Singh, the flying Sikh, passed away recently. He belongs to which sport? And the options are A. Badminton, B. Cricket, C. Athlete, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Athlete. He won 4 gold medals in the Asian Games from 1958 to 1962. He represented India in the 1956 Melbourne, 1960 Rome and 1964 Tokyo Olympics. He was awarded Padma Shri, India's 4th civilian honour in 1959. The name the Flying Sikh given by second President of Pakistan, Ayub Khan. He became the Director of Sports in Punjab Ministry of Education. He is still the only Indian athlete to win gold in Asian and Commonwealth Championship. His autobiography titled The Race of My Life, co-authored by Sonia Sanwalka. The second question is, who was elected as Secretary General of UNGA? And the options are A. Himanta Biswa Sharma, B. Antonio Guterres, C. Narendra Modi, and D. S. Jaishankar. And the correct answer is B. Antonio Guterres. He was selected unanimously for the second time. He is serving since 2017 as the 9th Secretary General of the United Nations. He served as Prime Minister of Portugal from 1995 to 2002. He was the UN High Commissioner for Refugees from 2005 to 2015. And he is the Antonio Guterres. And the third question is, who appointed as Director of NIMH ANS? And the options are A. Paresh B. Lal, B. Kuldeep Singh, C. Narendra Singh, and D. Pratima Murthy. And the correct answer is D. Pratima Murthy. Pratima was appointed as director for 5 years in 1994. NIMH ANS was conferred a deemed university status by UGC. The institute has been declared as an institute of national importance, whereas NIMH ANS means National Institute of Mental and Neurosciences. And the fourth question is, who becomes the youngest women cricketer to hit 2 half centuries in the debut test? And the options are A. Smriti Mandhana, B. Shafali Verma, C. Jessica, and D. Harmanpreet Singh. And the correct answer is B. Shafali Verma. Shafali reached a milestone at the age of 17 at Bristol against England. The record was previously held by Australia's Jessica at the age of 22. Shafali becomes first woman cricketer to hit 3 sixes in a test match. And the fifth question is, who became the most capped Indian test captain? And the options are A. Virat Kohli, B. Ajinkya Rahane, C. MS Dhoni, and D. Rahul Dravid. And the correct answer is A. Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli took MS Dhoni tally of 60 tests as captain. And the sixth question is, Ibrahim Raïs was declared the winner of dash presidential election. And the options are A. Saudi Arabia, B. Iran, C. Israel, and D. Oman. And the correct answer is B. Iran. He was serving as 7th Chief Justice of Iran from March 2019. From 2004 until 2014, Raïs served as first Deputy Chief Justice of Iran. And the seventh question is, which state has launched the Mukhyamantri Mahila Udyami Yojana and Mukhyamantri Yuva Udyami Yojana? And the options are A. Gujarat, B. Bihar, C. Assam, and D. Orissa. And the correct answer is B. Bihar. And the eighth question is, who won the UN Convention to Combat Desertification Land for Life Award for 2021? And the options are A. IFFA, B. Familial Forestry, C. Agroforestry, and D. Community Forestry. And the correct answer is B. Familial Forestry. UNCCD means United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification Land for Life Award. It is the idea of Shyam Sundar Jaini. Over past 17 years, more than 2.5 million trees have been planted and 15,000 villages were formed. And the ninth question is, which organization expanded tokenization of cards with SBI, HSBC, Federal Bank, and IndusInd Bank? And the options are A. BharatPe, B. Google Pay, C. BHIM, and D. Paytm. And the correct answer is B. Google Pay. To make contactless payments through tokenization in credit cards, over 2.5 million Visa merchant locations were done by Google Pay. And the 10th question is, what is the place of India in the list of foreign clients' money in Swiss banks during 2020? And the options are A. 45th, B. 61st, C. 51st, and D. 85th. And the correct answer is C. 51st. Annual bank statistics of 2021 released by Swiss National Bank shows India at 51st position and the UK tops the list. And the 11th question is, who won the gold medal in Cidade de Lisboa meet in Portugal? And the options are A. Sumit Malik, B. Neeraj Chopra, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Neeraj Chopra. He is an Indian javelin thrower. Neeraj Chopra from Haryana. He records 83.18 meters. And the 12th question is, which institute signed a MOU with Central Institute of Road Transport? And the options are A. IIM Ahmedabad, B. IIM Calcutta, C. IIM Bangalore, and D. IIM Nagpur. And the correct answer is D. IIM Nagpur. IIM Nagpur to build industry oriented knowledge in transport management. And the 13th question is, who had launched customized crash course program for COVID-19 frontline workers? And the options are A. Narendra Modi, B. Rajnath Singh, C. Narendra Singh, and D. Jay Shankar. And the correct answer is A. Narendra Modi. And going to the one-liners today are, OnePlus ropes in Jasprit Bumrah as brand ambassador. Government has set target to reduce road accident death by 50% by 2024 year. NSA Ajit Doval to take part in SCO meet in Dushanbe next week. Ashish Chandorkar appointed as a director at WTO Mission of India. And Ireland's Kevin O'Brien announced his retirement from one-day international cricket. Zimbabwe's Kyle Jarvis has announced his retirement from all forms of cricket. Rajasthan has approved Mukhyamantri Kisan Mitra Energy Scheme. Rajnath Singh approved 498.8 crores for innovation in the defense sector. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay safe, stay home.